Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2015 Audi A4 2.0 TDI Black Edition Multitronic, finished in sleek gray with a sporty half-leather and cloth interior. At the front, the A4 Black Edition makes a bold impression with its gloss black grille, striking headlights, and clean, aerodynamic lines that enhance both form and function. From the side, it sits confidently on 19-inch alloy wheels, with black exterior styling, subtle S-line detailing, and a purposeful, sporty stance. At the rear, it's all about subtle sophistication. A neat finish with LED taillights, twin exhausts, and front and rear parking sensors that make maneuvering effortless. Powered by a 2.0-liter TDI diesel engine, this A4 delivers smooth and efficient performance through Audi's Multitronic automatic gearbox. Cruise control and stop-start functionality come standard, making it ideal for long-distance or city driving. Inside, you're welcomed by Audi's premium touches: a flat-bottom steering wheel, Bang & Olufsen sound system, and a clean, driver-focused cabin layout. It's a space designed for comfort and control. In terms of technology, this A4 is fully equipped with Bluetooth, DAB radio, built-in navigation, and Audi's intuitive multimedia system, giving you everything you need at your fingertips. In the back, passengers get ample room and comfort, while the boot offers practical space for everyday needs or weekend escapes. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration OU65NCF to book your test drive or request a personalized video tour.